Hey guys, today just I got a recommendation from my YouTube subscriber to try 10-second on parabolic SAR strategy. I used to use it in 5-second time frame. So one of my YouTube subscriber have commented and made this suggestion, and I have made some test and I think it really works. That's why I'm going to make a video on it to show you how this strategy works. And if you also have any suggestion for me to make video on, you can comment below and suggest me. I'll be more than happy to help you by making strategy video to help you to trade binary options properly. So without doing any delay, let's get started. First thing you need to do is you need to make all of this currency pair favorite by making this stars yellow in this way, and then select these candles and select this candle and make it as 10. So as I've already told you, we are going to make trades on 10-second time frame. Similarly, if it is flag at here, make it clock and select this to S5 and increase it to 10, so that your trading time frame is also going to be of 10 seconds. Now in this video, we are going to invest $900 in 9 different trades to see the win rate of this strategy. So you can be absolutely clear on how effective this strategy can be. So once you do this much, then just click on indicators and click on parabolic SAR. Once you do this much, then this default setting is fine. You don't need to make any changes to this setting. You don't need to ask me in the comment section below. This is the default setting of parabolic SAR and it's fine. Once you do this much, you will see this kind of dots, which means if the dots are below the candles, that means it is an uptrend. And whenever you see there is first dot forming and second dot is about to form, at whenever this timer hit 1 second, around that timing you need to make trade by clicking on higher. Similarly, whenever the parabolic SAR dots are above the candles, that means it is a downtrend, and whenever the second dot is about to form, at that time you need to make trade by clicking on lower. If you are confused right now, you will understand properly while I start to make trade with this exact strategy. So everything is set up now, and don't forget to like this video. Now we are going to start to make trades so that you can understand. So the motive of putting all of this currency pair at here is so that we can switch it to find instantly where exactly we can make the trade. So we need to keep on switching this currency pair to find the appropriate entry point. So let's keep on searching until we find. Here you can see there is one dot. So whenever timer hits 1 second, we made a trade. Now of course not all of your trades are going to go right. Few trades are going to go wrong, but that doesn't matter. Overall your trading should be in profit. Our first trade was loss. So I'm not going to make any edit to this video so that I can show you exactly how effective this strategy can be for you. So let's keep on finding the currency pair, and do recommend me below if you have any suggestion. Here we could have made trade and we could have made loss. Now these things often happen. Not all of the time you can make profit. Here you can see here also we could have made profit, and this could have also be loss. But here's the thing, sometimes you miss the trade and that is good for you, and sometimes you miss the trade and that goes profitable, and that's bad for you. So here also you can see we could have made trade and it could have been I think profitable. So let's keep on finding other currency pair. So let's keep on switching this currency pair. Here you can see it is a 71% payout, so it is better to cut this kind of currency pair, because you don't want to get extremely low payout with this strategy. 49% payout will cross it. Here 54% payout will cross it. Here also 51% payout will cross it, and find our chance of entry in other currency. Now all of this currency pair have finished, so we'll move to start. Here you can see, so sometime it can be time consuming. Here you can see we could make trade at here because here we have got the second dot. Okay, now let's see what happens in this trade, and we made profit. So one was loss, one was profitable. Let's keep on finding. We are going to make altogether 9 trades, or till now we have made 2 trades. The most YouTuber makes video only of their profitable trades and show you those kind of trades. But in my case, in my channel, I would mostly make the unedited video. That's why you can understand the exact thing about the strategy. Even if I make loss in this video, I'm going to still publish this video. So one and another. In another, we made a trade by clicking on higher because second dot have formed, as you can see. Now let's wait for the trading result. And we made profit. So we have made 3 trades. 2 trades were profitable, one was lost. So second dot have already formed and we have missed this trade and it is good for us. So one, and we could have made trade a little bit lower, but we made trade at here. So let's wait and see what happens in this trade. So we made a profit at here. 4 trades were executed. Three were profitable, one was lost. So let's keep on finding other currency pair where we can make the trade. So as you can see, this is not anything. I'm not doing any edits in this video. Okay, you can be assured for that. So please do like this video to motivate me in order to make such kind of video that is actually helpful for you in your trading journey. And if you want to copy my trades automatically in your, here you can see we could have made profit. If you want to copy my trades automatically by using the social trading feature of pocket option, then you can join my free Telegram channel and then read the instructions there on how you can copy my trades. So let's keep on here. Here also we could have made profit in second dot. Here you can see it was a green candle. So let's keep on finding other currency pair now. Yes, sometimes it can be highly difficult to find the entry points. Here you can see where we could have made loss. Okay, now you just don't calculate how much loss or how much profit could we make by just seeing the explanation. Okay, I'm telling you, here you could have made loss, here you could have made profit. That doesn't matter at all when you are starting or making trades. Okay, because the exact trade that matters is whenever you execute that trade. Okay, so just don't fall in the trap of the probability and decide the outcome of a strategy. So let's keep on finding other currency pair where now one more thing you can do. Okay, so if you are not finding entry points, then you can search for other high payout like 83% payout. You can make it start yellow. Okay, 81% make it yellow and 77% you can make it yellow, but that's your choice. Okay, how much payout you want, but I would suggest you to above 80% would be fine. If it's above 90%, then that's also fine. Here we missed this trade and that is good for us. So let's keep on finding. Yeah, sorry, I made trade a little bit late, but that's fine. We are going to make loss, I think, at here. So yeah, we made a loss here, but there is another dot. Okay, one dot have formed, so we can instantly take risk and make another trade in the downward direction at here because second dot have formed. Now let's see what happens in this trade. The market is trying to move upward, so we instantly made 2 loss at here. 6 trades, 3 profitable, 3 in loss. Now let's keep on finding other currency pair. So as you can see, we have $900 budget and it is still we have $875 at here. So we have made 6 trades. Now more 3 trades to go. And let's see what happens in our upcoming trades. Let's keep on finding the entry point here. We could have made trade. Yeah, one. Now whenever timer hits 1 second, we are going to make trade by clicking on lower at here. Let's see what happens in this trade. So we made profit in this trade. So 4 profit, 3 loss. Now we have 2 more trades to go on. So let's see. I know profit doesn't seems more at this time while I'm making this video, but the thing is you are not making loss also, okay, that you need to remind yourself. Let's keep on finding other currency pair where we can execute the trade. So yeah, now whenever timer hits 1 second, we'll not think much according to the strategy, we'll just make the trade. Okay, now let's see what happens in this trade. So finally at the end, market reversed and we made loss. 4 trade profit, 4 loss. Now we have our last trade. So let's see where we can make the trade. Also, you can test it in your demo account to see if it is working for you at the time when you are making the trades. Okay, just don't. Execution is extremely simple in this kind of trading. Okay, here you can see second dot have formed. In here we could have made profit. So let's find more place. So we have now this one trade is going to decide whether we are going to make profit or not. So just keep on watching. Let me find an appropriate entry point. Yeah, 3, 2, 1, and we made the trade at here. Now if this trade is profitable, then we are going to make profit, a little bit profit, but if this trade goes loss, then we are going to make the loss, and we made a profit. Okay, anyway, we made a $45 profit at here. Now let me show you the trading result. This was an unedited video. 1 2 3 4 5 trades were profitable. 1 2 3 4 trades were in loss. Total we made we made 9 trades. I hope you have learned something from this video, and I could easily have edited and shown you lots of profitable trades, but I'm not going to do that right now. Okay, because I need to show you the reality of the trading. Okay, that's why I've made this video as it is according to the recommendation of my YouTube subscriber. And if you also have some recommendation for me, then you can comment below. I'll be more than happy to show you. And don't forget to watch my 5-second parabolic ACR strategy video where I have turned $10 into $25.41 within few trades by doubling up the investment. I'll put the video anywhere at the screen at here. So I'll see you in my next video. Bye bye.